So we're cooking for our lunch. And what's our lunch, lovely?
Fresh Mickey.
Fresh Mickey?
Yeah.
What's that?
And Chinese ramen noodles. Noodles or something.
So it's kind of Japanese, fresh Japanese ramen. For 15 pesos only. And that's our lunch.
Tino. Pag 25 po na, mamahalin ang ulam natin.
Ayun ka, tag 15. Mutput man ka, oy.
Yeah, it's 15 pesos.
15 pesos? Yan, ay mong ingo magka 25. Ayaw ikauwa, og 15 ra ang atong sudan. It's good. It still cannot cook.